respectfully. I am yours now.
Napakaganda ng lugar, napakaganda ng weather, lahat ay napakaganda. And hopefully, this will be a premonition ng napakagandang pagsasama ninyo na sisimulan ngayong araw na ito until, of course, death do you part.
Wear this ring as a symbol of my love and fidelity to you as long as I live. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Reese, did you come here in your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband, Neil?
Yes, Father.
And Neil, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife, Reese?
Yes, Father.